we're back with another video, and today we are going to talk about growing hair with okra. That's right, okra. And why okra, you ask? It's high in nutrients and has a high composition in water, which is a great moisturizer for the scalp, okay? So another thing that okra, well, first let's talk about what we're going to need for this video, okay? I've got 5 okras here. You're going to need a tablespoon. You're going to need a knife. You're also going to need extra virgin olive oil, organic, or you can use castor oil. You can use avocado oil, something like that. Then you're also going to need a bowl. You're going to need 200 milliliters of water. You're going to need something to put it in if you're not going to use this immediately. And then you're going to need a pot. So let's get into this video. Now, one of the reasons why we want to use okra, it gives the hair a great bounce, okay? It's good as a hair conditioner. It helps to condition the hair. It also fights dandruff. It's great for dry, itchy scalp. If you're suffering from dandruff and itchy scalp, dry, if your hair is coarse, okra is great to give it back that moisture. If you want that long, shiny, flowing hair, okra is amazing for shiny hair. It gives the hair back its luster, helps to keep it moisturized, hydrated. There are so many reasons why to use okra, but it's not talked about enough, okay? We know about flaxseed, fenugreek. We know about other things that are great for the hair, but nobody seems to talk a lot about okra, okay? And its benefits for the hair as well as the skin, but we'll get into that in another video. Today is all about the hair for ultimate hair growth, healthy scalp, and that's where it all starts, is the scalp. The scalp has to be healthy, okay? So now what we're gonna do, we've got 5 okras cut up, and what we're gonna do with the 5 okras that we have, we're gonna add the 200 milliliters of water. And we're going to let this boil for about 20 minutes, and then we're going to come back and finish this video. Okay, we're back. So this is what it looks like. It's boiled for 20 minutes. Now, you're also going to need a cheesecloth and a strainer. So now what I'm getting ready to do is strain the liquid, the mucilage, the slime. That's what we want. That's all the goodness right there. That is what we want. Now, you can also mix this with your favorite moisturizer, your favorite conditioner. And what you're going to do, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of whatever your favorite moisturizer or your favorite conditioner is. So I opted to go with Seamoss Gel is what I'm going to be adding to this. Okay, and it's warm. So my Seamoss has been in the refrigerator. So I'm going to go ahead and add this while my Seamoss is warm. And I also wanted to go over the, it's also rich in vitamin A, B complex, vitamin C, E, and K. It also is packed with calcium, iron, and magnesium, and zinc. So you're definitely going to need all those things for ultimate hair growth. And like I said, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of a moisturizer. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my Seamoss Gel. You know what? Before I do that, I want y'all to see how it looks. Look at that. Look at that. You talk about shiny hair. You talk about moisturizing the scalp. That's it, baby. That is it right there, okay? And my son, the photograph that you see as a thumbnail is my son, and all his friends, they kept asking him, because they all started growing their hair out about the same time. And they were like, man, how is your hair growing and ours is still looking the same? He said, I didn't tell him my secret. I said, your secret? You mean my secret? Because this is not your secret. But you see, if you add it while it is warm, it will start to kind of melt the Seamoss a little bit. And this is what I use on his hair and my hair. And I've actually got to wash my hair, so I decided to make this to show you all. I mean, when I say, y'all, this right here will grow your hair. It will get your scalp so healthy. And when I tell you, your hair will retain so much moisture. So what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to apply this to damp hair, okay? Or you can wash your hair before and get it damp, or you can just wet your hair and get it damp. And once you do that, you're going to want to let this sit. You apply it, you start at the scalp, go all the way down the hair shaft to the tips of your hair. And then you you can either wrap it in a hot towel, you can put a something on your head, plastic cap, and let it stay on there for about 40 minutes. Once you let it sit on there for about 40 minutes, you're going to want to let this, you're going to rinse it out, okay? And once you rinse it out, you're going to use your favorite conditioner. Okay, so let me stop right there. Okay, here we go. We're going to add our oil. We need 2 tablespoons, and we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of the extra virgin olive oil. Now, if you don't have this on hand, you can use avocado oil. You can use castor oil. You know, whatever you have that you like, whatever oil agrees with your hair and your scalp, okay? So now, if you are Caucasian, you don't have to add this oil. You're still going to get that beautiful, beautiful shine to your hair. This is a standalone. Okra is standalone. It can hold its own. I didn't even have to add the sea moss to it, okay? So let's mix it, get mixing again. Get the oil incorporated in here. But like I said, you're going to want to rinse this out with cold water. Once you rinse it out with cold water, you're going to put conditioner in there to help seal it, to seal in that moisture, okay? Let that conditioner sit on your hair for about 5 minutes. Once you've done that, rinse out that conditioner with cold water, and you've got a great moisture seal for your hair. Hydrated, moisturized, and your hair will be shiny, bouncy, flowy. It will look amazing. And beat it a little bit more. And like I said, let's go real quick over the ingredients again, because I know that's going to come up in the comments. So I'm going to go over it one more time, everything that you're going to need for this, okay? Give me 1 second. So what you're going to need 5 okras, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil or your favorite oil, 200 milliliters of plain distilled water or mineral water, and you'll need 2 tablespoons of your favorite moisturizing mask. If you don't want to use a moisturizing mask, you can use sea moss, okay? That's what you're going to need. You're going to need Seamoss gel. That's what I chose to use. That's what I used on my son's hair, and this is what grew his hair out. This right here, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.